Hello students, today we will see what is Cannizzaro reaction. So it's a named reaction. For explaining this Cannizzaro reaction, I will give you two examples, that is one is acetaldehyde and the other one is formaldehyde. So one is acetaldehyde, the other one is formaldehyde. So this acetaldehyde is having an alpha carbon and there is alpha hydrogen. So this is having alpha hydrogen. So this will undergo aldol condensation reaction in presence of a base. So in presence of a base, an aldehyde with alpha hydrogen atom will undergo aldol condensation reaction. But in this case, we cannot see any alpha carbon, so there is no alpha hydrogen. So there is no alpha hydrogen in the case of formaldehyde. So this will give Cannizzaro reaction in presence of a base. So in presence of a base, an aldehyde with alpha hydrogen atom will show aldol condensation reaction, but an aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom in presence of a base will undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So now let us see what is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is actually self-oxidation and reduction of aldehydes without alpha hydrogen. So self-oxidation and reduction of aldehydes without alpha hydrogen. So if an aldehyde is not having an alpha hydrogen atom, in presence of a base, self-oxidation and reduction takes place and we will get an oxidation product and a reduction product. So we will write one example. So we can take HCHO itself, HCHO, that is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, here no alpha hydrogen. So we can expect Cannizzaro reaction. So here also we will take two molecules of aldehydes. So in presence of a base like concentrated KOH, self-oxidation and reduction takes place. So one molecule will be oxidized and the other molecule will be reduced. So one molecule will be oxidized and the other molecule will be reduced. So the products are CH3OH and HCOOK. So this is actually methanol and this is potassium formate. So methanol is formed as one of the products. That means methanol is actually a reduction product. We know that aldehyde on reduction gives alcohol. So aldehyde on reduction gives alcohol. So one molecule or one aldehyde molecule is reduced to alcohol. So this aldehyde is having one carbon atom. So the alcohol is also having one carbon atom. So the product is methanol. One product is methanol and the other product will be an acid, but the acid is formed in the form of a salt of potassium since we have taken potassium hydroxide. So one molecule will be oxidized. So this aldehyde contains one carbon, so the acid is also contains one carbon, but the acid is formed in the form of a potassium salt since we have taken KOH. So self-oxidation and reduction of aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom in presence of a base, that is called a Cannizzaro reaction. So this is an example of a Cannizzaro reaction. We will take one more example. If it is benzaldehyde. So if it is benzaldehyde, so in this case also there is no alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. So this is benzaldehyde. Here also we need to take two molecules. So one will be oxidized and the other will be reduced. So we will get two products, oxidation product and a reduction product. So aldehyde will be oxidized to, or aldehyde will be oxidized to acid and aldehyde will be reduced to alcohol. So the corresponding alcohol will be CH2OH. Since there is one carbon atom here also we need to write this one carbon atom. So it will be this alcohol. This will be benzyl alcohol. This is actually the reduction product. So aldehyde on reduction gives alcohol. Then aldehyde on oxidation gives acid. So the corresponding acid will be COOH. So one carbon should be here and this will be benzoic acid. So the corresponding alcohol and the corresponding acid will be benzyl alcohol and benzoic acid. So here also if we have taken KOH, this will be COOK. So this will be potassium salt of benzoic acid, potassium salt of benzoic acid, or we can say potassium benzoate or potassium salt of benzoic acid. So anyway, self-oxidation and reduction takes place in the case of aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atom in presence of a concentrated base, that is called a Cannizzaro reaction. But in the case of aldehydes having an alpha hydrogen atom in presence of a base showing aldol condensation reaction without alpha hydrogen atom will show Cannizzaro reaction. So this is about Cannizzaro reaction.